In this video, I'm going to show you how to descale the Keurig K-Slim using the Keurig descaling solution. So let's get started. Before you start, you will need to empty the water reservoir if you have any water in it. And if you're using a water filter, you're going to want to remove this too. It's also a good idea to replace the filter cartridge at the same time, so I'll leave links to everything in my description box. I'll also remind you here to be sure to save this video so you can come back to it again in about 3 months' time, or when your descale light comes back on. Getting back to the process, start by pouring the entire bottle of the Keurig descaling solution into the tank. Then fill this empty bottle with fresh water and pour it into the water reservoir. So it will be 1 part solution and 1 part water. Place the water reservoir on the machine and plug in the machine if it isn't already. Next, place a large mug or jug on the drip tray. Open the machine to check and make sure that there are no pods inserted. Now this part is important and a lot of people miss this step. Make sure the machine is turned off, but make sure that the machine is plugged in. So if you see any lights on, press the power off button. Your descale light may be on if the machine prompted you to descale, otherwise all the other lights should be off. If, like mine, your descale light is not on, we need to activate it by pressing both the 8 ounce and 12 ounce buttons together, and that will put the machine into descale mode. Once the descale light flashes, the brewing K button should also flash, and we need to press this to start the descaling cycle. Once the first cycle is done, throw out the water and place the jug back on the drip tray to run another cycle. Now run the second cycle by pressing the flashing K button again, and when that cycle finishes, the add water light should come on because now there's not enough water left in the tank. Whatever solution mixture is left in the water tank, you need to throw it out. Wash and rinse the water reservoir before adding fresh water to it, filling it up to the maximum line. Sometimes I have to adjust the water reservoir because the add water light is still on, but after fixing it a little, it does go off eventually. This has happened with a few Keurig models that I've made videos on. Don't add any coffee pods just yet because we're still in descale mode, and now we need to run a freshwater cycle by pressing the K button, which should still be flashing. You're going to do this until the descale light goes off. I only had to run 2 freshwater cycles before my descale light went off, so now I can start brewing. You may need to do 3 or 4 cycles. If your descale light is still on, run a couple of more cycles and make sure you also keep some extra water close to you to fill up the water tank if it does get empty, because you don't want the machine running on an empty tank, otherwise it's going to burn the internal heating elements inside and it'll ruin the machine. So just keep adding fresh water to the water reservoir, and if after 2 or 3 times the descale light is still refusing to turn off, try to clean the needle area. That's usually another possibility where there may be some coffee grounds stuck inside. Also wash out the pod holder. Let it cool down before you take it out though. Maybe run another 1 or 2 freshwater cycles again, and hopefully the descale light should go off. Alright guys, I hope you found the video useful. Please do leave a like or comment if it helped you or not. Please be sure to save this video, and I hope to catch you in my next video.